So you need to change your car's engine air filter, but you also found out that you can save yourself a ton of money and a ton of time by doing it yourself instead of paying for whatever the dealership is trying to charge you. Well, that's exactly where I'm at too. So today I'm going to show you step by step just how easy it is to change your engine air filter by yourself. To do this, I'm going to be using this EOG Guard engine air filter because I saw it had a ton of great reviews online. It's really affordable, and I also saw some videos of car mechanics and auto shops using it. And I'm going to be installing it in a Hyundai Elantra, but this filter also works for the Hyundai Kona, Hyundai Veloster, Kia Forte, and Kia Soul. Alright, let's get it. Alright, since this is an engine air filter, the first thing you need to do is pop open the hood. There should be a lever to do this in your car, kind of like the one I have near my pedals right here. Once you pop the hood, you might have an additional lever you need to press right here while you lift up in order to get it off. The engine air filter is located in this box right here. As you can see, there are two latches that we're going to undo in order to lift this off. There's the filter. Now that we have the box done, all we have to do is take out the old engine filter and then put the new one in right here. One important note is that when you install the new filter, even though it should be intuitive, you want to make sure that the big side is facing down. And there we go. Now that we have the new engine filter in, all we have to do is close up the box, redo the latches, and then close the hood. And that's all there is to it. It took me about 8 minutes to do while filming, so it'll probably take you less than 2, and it'll save you a ton of time and a ton of money. And if you want to save yourself even more time from having to do product research on the most affordable yet high quality engine air filter like I did, then pick up the EOG Guard engine air filter for yourself today, and you're going to be set.